Hey, my friends, we're going to Alice's today and we're going to look at antique toys, teddy bears, horses, chairs. So stay tuned. Well, hello, Alice. We're
Hi
back
again.
again. What are we studying today?
So, another suggestion by Leroy. He said, why don't you talk about children's toys and ways to decorate with them? And I was thinking, oh, I don't know if I have that many toys. Well, I went in every room in my house and I pulled some kind of child's thing. And there was something in every room. So I was like, who knew? I thought I had all the children's things in the one room, but no. So I'm gonna sort of just bring them out in groups. I haven't done research, there's too much research on toys, but it'll be more about showing you children's things, how to decorate with them, and anything else that pops into my head. But one of the things I think why we love children's things is because it reminds us of our childhood, and we reminisce and the memories that come with it. And who doesn't like cute little things? It's like who doesn't love puppies? They're cute and they're little, you know, and I think they're all miniature. And I think it's the memories that come with your own toys or your own teddy bears or your own little rocking chair that endears them to us. So,
Let's see.
here we go.
Toys.
So the first thing I'm going to bring out is 3 children's chairs, and they also happen to have teddies in them. So we'll just, again, I didn't do research on teddy bears, because, you know, that's a whole other couple of videos. But I'm going to bring them out, we'll just chat about them, and I'll let you know, I'll tell you where I put them and how I decorate them.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So,
All right, so here we go.
All right.
Alice has the whole collection in the room next door. I was over there. I gasped when I walked in.
just show them the big pile?
I think we should, just because they would love to see it.
So, this is not what my dining room usually looks like, but but here we are.
Okay.
All right. I thought I only had one little chair until I started walking around. Okay, so this darling little Windsor
Oh my
is
goodness.
so cute, and it's like a regular Windsor. It's just
Yeah.
it's just miniature. Again, would they maybe have cut the legs? I don't really know, but it was for a child, and it's just black. It's got a little repair here.
Yeah.
This I usually ooh, what is that? Little moth. Must have come out of the bear.
Uh-oh.
So this one I usually keep on the hearth in the living room.
Okay.
And I've put 2 little bears just because I like the bears. And I just wanted to show you the bears. They're so cute. I mean, we all had teddy bears.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
Oh,
They're just
it's
too
so
darn cute. So this little guy goes with this guy. And this one probably has, like, he's filled with straw. You see his straw?
Straw.
And he's probably mohair, I'm guessing.
Oh my goodness.
But he's so well loved. His fur's, missing and it's matted. But some child loved him. Look at that face, though. How cute is he?
Oh, he's so cute. Come here, little guy.
Here he is.
Come to Nanny. Come on. Oh, are you sweet?
Isn't he sweet?
Oh, look at that little.
I love him. The more beat up they are, the better I like them.
Yeah. Oh, there's your little fur.
He's so well loved, he's coming apart.
Oh, he is like his little paw.
Oh, look at him.
I know. Oh, look at that. Oh dear.
Now, I know if he was a Styfe, he would have a little button in his ear, and he doesn't, and I'm sure he's not, but
Okay.
you never know.
What's a Styfe?
It's just, it's Steiff. It was just a company that made the bears, very famous, and they're usually pretty expensive.
Okay.
But if they do have like a little button there,
Yeah.
that identifies them as a Styfe.
Oh.
And the buttons could come out, but
Sure.
But you know, they were made out of mohair, and
Wow.
I don't know exactly when they were made, probably in the 1900s. I don't think the teddy bears came out till Teddy Roosevelt, right?
Oh yeah, right.
1925?
Yeah.
No, 1909? I don't know, somewhere around there. So they're not like primitive, but they look primitive.
They sure do.
So that was one little chair. And then we have like a little ladder back. Another cute little chair.
Isn't that cute?
And I'm trying to think, where do I keep this one? Oh, I think this one is actually in one of the bedrooms. And again, a couple little teddies.
Hello, babies.
You know, they're cute. Their arms and legs move. He's got no eyes. He's a blind bear. But he's so cute. Probably mohair.
Loved. Mohair.
Yeah, I
Yeah, he
think
feels the
mohair.
same.
Someone loved him so much.
They did.
So I just kind of sit them together. And this one, oh, he has almost no fur. Look at his eyes, though. He was probably mohair. His head turns.
Oh, he's like the best loved doll.
Isn't he?
Wow.
So for me, I just put them in the upstairs room that I call the toy room.
Okay.
But apparently I have bears everywhere besides there. So,
When did this bear obsession start?
oh God, forever, always. So here's another cute little rocker. This time, a little different. I want to show you the nice old seat.
Rocker. Oh yeah.
And this one actually I keep on the hearth in the dining room.
Okay.
Yeah. But cute, miniature. You know, just like, you know, regular people's furniture, just diminutive.
Yes.
And then again, a couple of more of these little bears. And oh, now this one has a thing here. But I don't,
Oh, he has a button.
is he a stife? He might be. Oh, he might be a stife. Oh, I think he is.
Oh no, really?
Who knew? Who knew I had a
Wow.
stife?
Wow.
But you see how they all kind of look
Yeah.
like this?
Yeah, they do.
Movable arm. Yeah, he must be a stife.
Oh,
Who knew?
who knew?
Okay. And then this little guy. I put a little. This must be the scarf he had on from Christmas. He still has it on. I seem to like these mohair ones. I think they're all pretty much mohair.
Yeah.
This one has not button eyes. They're just like little felt eyes. So I don't know whether his eyes came off and then they were replaced. But again, you know, they're so charming. And we all had a teddy bear, I'm sure, that we loved.
I had a panda bear and I loved him.
And look at this little nose.
Oh,
So cute.
so cute.
So cute. So I probably have other little pieces of children's furniture too, which I didn't bring down, but that's okay. All right, let me see the next category. Let me see. All right, well, there's only two of these because I wasn't going to bring them down. So we got children's toys.
Wow.
So this is a darling little push toy
Oh.
that they probably would have used maybe to walk, I guess.
Oh.
But
I'm just picturing the darling little Victorian children, you know, the little boys and girls in their little dresses and their little long curly locks.
I know.
Pushing these things.
How cute is he though?
So cute.
So this I happen to have on I put it on the very top of the cupboard in the toy room.
Okay, yeah.
And then you see he has a bow from Christmas that just sort of stays on. Because you know I decorate my horses. And I love his primitive, you know, someone just did that. It's not real fancy.
Yeah.
You know, maybe a father made it. I don't know.
Yeah, could be.
Could be. It's cute though.
Which, yeah, it's kind of fun to think of a father making that for his
Yeah.
child.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and
that's the
it's
story
kind of
with that.
interesting to look even at the front where you can see
Yeah.
how it's constructed
Yep.
by the different wood there.
And maybe it was made out of scrap wood. I mean, I don't know. Who knows? But it just has that primitive little charm.
Very cool.
So, and then the next one, I actually got this at a consignment store down in Plymouth, which is no longer there, but it was a great store because they would have things on consignment and then they'd mark them down like 2 or 3 times. So I think this was at 50% when I bought it. And I asked the guy about it. It's so primitive. Look at the little feet.
Yeah.
It's just so primitive. Whether someone made it, it kind of looks like it was made for a child.
Yeah.
But when I went into the store, I picked out several things. And
Yeah.
the guy goes, "Oh, that's from a lady's estate. She's downsizing. She's from Nantucket." I go, "Well, of course." This was part of that. Everything I picked out that I liked,
Yeah.
which I didn't buy it all, he goes, "That's that same lady." So I just kept picking her things.
Wow.
Isn't that funny?
After a while, you said, what else did that lady
Yeah,
bring
what else
in?
did she bring in? She bringing more in? But I just thought that I do have other, you've probably all seen my other horses, the bigger ones, which I wasn't going to take from
Right.
the other rooms.
Right.
But this one's nice and small.
Yeah.
And I thought, it's a cute toy.
Very nice.
Cute toy. So we have the 2 rocking horses. I
Okay.
think I'm going to bring out the clothes.
Okay.
Because I have quite a few of those.
All right.